useState hook, a built-in function in React that allows you to add state to functional components. When you use the useState hook, it returns an array with two values. The first value is the current state, and the second value is a function that allows you to update the state. For example, you can declare a state variable for count like so. The setCount function is what we call a set function, and it's used to update the state. You can pass the next state value directly to the set function like this. As you can see, the count variable is incremented and decremented after the button clicks. Use the useState hook in order to tell React that you want it to react to changes of the value passed inside the hook. If count was an ordinary variable, however, React would ignore its update and not re-render. As shown here, we cannot increment or decrement count, or it would be more precise to say the variable count is incremented, but React doesn't see the need to re-render without the use of useState hook, so it appears to the end user that nothing had happened after the button click. After console logging the values in increment and decrement functions, we see that the values are indeed updated. And that's it. This is the simple explanation of the useState hook to get you started. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.